The H-1B visa. This is a visa that you've heard be talked about in the news, on radio, on publications, and unfortunately it's misunderstood. My name is Luis Hess. I'm here to talk to you today about the H-1B visa, how you can apply, what the qualifications are, and who are the people who can obtain this type of visa. Now, the H-1B visa is meant for those who have some type of professional degree, typically somebody with a bachelor's degree. It doesn't matter if the bachelor's degree is from a university in the United States or abroad. But the idea is that this individual, typically an engineer, a researcher, somebody with some type of 4-year degree, has a job offer to work here in the United States. Now the requirements are fairly simple. The idea is that there's a job offer. The employer goes to the Department of Labor to obtain a prevailing wage. This prevailing wage is high enough or low enough, depending on your perspective, where the person can live here in the United States, but the company has enough money to pay for this. And the person puts their name in what's called a lottery system. Now, every year there are 65,000 slots available for foreign nationals who want to apply for this. And then there are additional 20,000 slots above the 65,000 for people with a master's degree or something, or even a doctorate degree, some type of professional degree even. And the idea is that there are 85,000 people altogether who can apply for this visa. Now, in prior years, it used to be that the H-1B lottery pool would not be filled up by foreign nationals, meaning there were more spots available than there were applicants. But for the last 6 or 7 years, there have been more people applying for this type of visa than there are spots available. So the idea is that you want to start the process with sufficient time. You want to be prepared. You want to have an employer be able to provide all the documentation necessary, and then you submit the application. Now, if you don't get picked, there's a second option to be picked again, because typically every year there are 2 lottery drawings, typically around April, May, another one August to September. So you're automatically put in to the lottery pool if you weren't picked in the first round. But if you're not picked in the second round, then you can always try again. Just because you apply for H-1B visa but don't get picked for it doesn't negate or cancel any other visa you have. So if you have a visitor visa, a business visa, perhaps a student visa, it doesn't stop, it doesn't cancel or void your visa status. It still allows you to apply year over year. Some people get lucky and get picked up on the first round. Some people apply for multiple years. There's no rhyme or reason, just the way it is. So if this is something that you are interested in, you happen to be a foreign national studying abroad with an offer to work in the United States, or perhaps even studying here in the United States and have some type of work authorization related to CPT or OPT, then give us a call. Let's talk about how we can plan for the future, how we can sit down with your prospective employer and make certain that we have everything in line so that when it's time to apply for the H-1B visa, we're not running out of time at the last minute. So as it is, my name is Luis Hess. Here at Hess Law, we look forward to talking to you if you have any questions about the H-1B process. Our consultations are free. We are open Monday through Friday, typically 9 to 5, and on most Saturdays. So if this is something that interests you, please give us a call. We look forward to receiving your phone call.